Welcome to my channel. Electric dirt bikes are usually either $5,000 or total junk. But the Yozma IN10 is trying to occupy that perfect middle ground. We're talking a 40 miles per hour top speed and more torque than most gas-powered pit bikes. Check the link of the product in the description below to see if it's still on sale for 2026, because at this price point, it's hard to beat. The heart of this beast is a 2,600 watt peak mid-drive motor. Unlike hub motors that struggle on hills, this mid-drive system uses a chain to deliver 146 Nm of torque directly to the rear wheel. That means it doesn't just go fast, it climbs 30-degree inclines like they aren't even there. You have 3 ride modes, so you can cap it at 18 miles per hour for cruising or unlock the full 40 MPH for trail shredding. To handle that power, Yozma went heavy on the hardware. You get a reinforced inverted hydraulic front fork and a high-stiffness nitrogen air shock in the rear. It's tuned for riders up to 265 pounds, making it suitable for both teens and adults. And since you're hitting 40 miles per hour, the heavy-duty hydraulic disc brakes are a lifesaver. The stopping power is immediate and modular, which is exactly what you want when things get technical off-road. Inside the frame is a 48V 23.4Ah battery that gives you a claimed range of 53 miles. Realistically, if you're pinning the throttle, expect about 30 to 35 miles of aggressive trail riding. It's built on a high-carbon steel frame that feels incredibly rigid. Plus, with an IPX6 waterproof rating, you don't have to panic if you hit a puddle or get caught in a light rain on your way back to the truck. The verdict? The Yozma IN10 is the ultimate backyard ripper. It's silent, it's powerful, and it actually feels like a motorcycle, not a bicycle. I've put the direct link to this 2600W model in the description. It's an affiliate link that supports the Burner Tech Lab, so thank you for using it. Hit that subscribe button for more e-moto and tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.